Okay guys, I've got a muffin tin and some of these sugar cookie dough balls that I've just put 2 in each one. Just gonna give it a gentle push down. You can grease these if you'd like, or use even like a muffin cup. And then these are gonna go into the oven. Just follow directions on the back of the package. Okay, this has just come out of the oven. It's okay that they've dented in a little bit because we're actually going to do some more with that with these shot glass. Just gonna push one in. Just go ahead and push it all the way into the bottom. You're making these little cups for this cute springtime, Easter time dessert. It's gonna be so good. Once that's cooled off, I'm gonna take this Philly no-bake cheesecake filling. I know that it's been hard to find. I know you ask for it in the comments all the time. I've been able to find it at Walmart. Sometimes you've gotta like order it a little bit ahead of time for pickup, but just the past couple of trips there, I've been able to see it over by the crescent rolls. So go ahead and you can actually stock up on these and just maybe put a couple in your freezer for when you need it later. But we're gonna put a small scoop of this cheesecake filling inside each one of these sugar cookie cups. These are gonna be so good and perfect for Easter or any kind of like springtime bake sale or brunch with the girlies. So good. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more. Just like that. And then I've got some shredded sweetened coconut flakes. We're gonna just take that whole bag. Let's put that into a bowl. Right now it kind of looks like snow, but we're gonna come in with some green food coloring. I'm using the gel kind, just adding just a little bit like that. Then we're just gonna start tossing it with the shredded coconut. It is all combined and now looks like Easter grass. I'm gonna put a little bit on top of each one, like so. But we're gonna take it one step further. And we're just gonna be topping each one of these with these Cadbury mini eggs. They are so pretty. I love different companies make different kinds of these like Easter eggs, but personally I think the Cadbury ones are my favorite. You can just put a couple in each one. And once those really cute, they're like malted chocolate balls are in there, ease that on out. Look at how adorable that cookie is. Little cookie cheesecake cup with these Easter eggs on top. And go ahead and take a bite. Mmm, it is so good. You need to make a batch for Easter this year. I know everybody will love it. Plus they're so cute.